gonna
Okay.
marry her and everything,
Anyway,
man. Like, damn. We cool though. We friends now, but shit. She was God damn, bro. That was it.
on different page. So clearly you saying, baby, hush. Who cares? You being a weirdo. So let's read the other comments. What
She
y'all
no,
want to
she's
talk
actually, you know
about?
what? I'm not gonna get too personal, but my ex-girlfriend that I was going to marry spells it with an O. And then I was dating a girl named Danielle as well. But not with her while I was out here like maybe 3 years ago. But that was complicated, so
I want to go back to Hawaii.
you said Hawaii?
Yeah, I went to Waikiki.
I want
But
oh my
yes,
God.
this is boring. When I came back home, I was bored.
I want to go to Hawaii, but I'm trying to figure out how Brittany know that I got a little female friend
Holly,
out there in
Holly, what
Hawaii.
joke? So,
I didn't.
don't y'all see? I don't even care about being loud tonight. So what?
What
Oh,
happened?
yeah, bitch, damn.
Maggie, wipe your fingers.
Oh, Jesus. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
So I think we're about to see Maggie transform.
Hey, listen, right quick. I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna start responding to you, cause clearly you're a clown. Hold on, Meg. I just gotta say this. Thank you for telling whoever that JoJo person is. What's your name is Trinity, or whatever. At this point, sweetie pie, I don't give a damn who you is. You see how calm I am? Like,
Damn, you
bitch,
said I got a Trinity chin. You know what? I do have a big
she the
chin.
one said you can't come on her
I do got a big
shit.
chin. I ain't gonna say I got a big chin. I do have a
What's
chin.
cool? You crazy. Oh, okay. See, Maggie said you're a Cloud Tracer. I don't know who the fuck you is.
I don't know, y'all. They not giving me a weird vibe. I don't know. Maybe I'm just missing something.
Drama.
I don't see.
Cool. Oh my
I
god.
don't.
It
I,
don't even matter.
I don't see nothing weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm just.
Just
The only thing weird right now is Maggie's trying to
come.
suck the bone off the bone. That's the only thing.
You were. Thank you, baby. I don't understand how that was
Maggie, God, damn,
misunderstood.
bro.
Damn. Thanks. I like being bored. Uh-uh. You see how calm I am? Like, I'm glad you think I'm boring.
Somebody said if you
Anywho.
don't, baby, she finna.
Damn, Maggie.
I told you she gonna suck the bone off the bone.
Maggie say I got her fucked up. She not wasting no food at all.
Chocolate sound like she ready to sleep. Chocolate, you sound
I
like you in the bed
am.
under the covers. You got the AC on real high. You like snugged up, girl.
My husband actually went to sleep on me.
Mm.
What the? I see you. No,
Never mind. I'm gonna stay out
no.
of this because I don't know what they
Oh,
talking
hold
about.
on. Now I'm finna get up and read you,
Oh
bitch.
my god! I knew you.
Hold
God
on.
damn
Let
it!
me see.
I was hoping
Oh, bitch, you
be
went
the
to my page, ho?
comment.
I bet you seen a pretty black bitch with a big ass. Bitch, stop playing with me, fool ass hoe. Before you get blocked, bitch. Stupid ass bitch. Ugly ass bitch. Fool ass bitch.
God
Yeah.
damn!
See a pretty black bitch with a fat ass bitch.
She about to
Stop
cuss me
playing with
out
me, bitch.
next. Cause
Yeah,
why she
Stupid
ain't
ass
follow me
hoe.
back? That's what I'm trying
Bitch, I don't
to
give a
figure
fuck
out.
about you.
Why she ain't
I
follow
Who,
me
me?
back?
4-3,
Who?
You,
4-3.
I'm
chocolate. Cause
sorry.
I
I
followed your
love
ass.
you. I
I
like
followed
pretty
you. I
bitches.
followed
I don't
you
like
though.
stupid hoes.
Oh, never
And these
mind. Never mind.
motherfucking
Never mind.
comments fuck
Never
with me,
mind.
stupid ass
Never
bitch.
mind.
Stupid
Gotta
ass hoe. Yeah, please go to my profile. Thank you so
I
much.
gotta follow
I
this
want you
other
to
page.
view this pretty black
Oh my god,
fat
y'all!
ass
Can
bitch.
we
Bitch, I got
play
a fat ass bitch. A fat
Maggie?
coochie too that you can suck,
Mag-
bitch. Shut the fuck up, stupid ass hoe.
oh my
Dumb ass bitch. The fuck?
chocolate!
Wait. Cause I was trying to stay calm. He's talking about some stupid shit, bitch. You clearly can see my picture right there,
Look,
bitch.
I
Pretty black motherfucker hoe. Find you somebody to play with, stupid ass bitch. Ugly ass hoe. Gonna get blocked, bitch. Stupid ass. Bitch. You must be new, ugly ass bitch. Talking about from Zalive. I'm from Zalive too, bitch. Fuck up, hoe.
Okay. On
I
that
I just
note, on that note though, I think I followed your main page, so I just followed this page. But I don't know how many pages y'all got, but yeah, I know I
I
followed
only
you
got
though.
two.
Okay, so I
So the
followed
other
the other
one, I think they like
I
me,
just
and for
want
some reason they had
to
blocked me.
one.
So
Oh, okay.
I had to go to my other page, but then they
yeah.
opened this page back.
Okay, it's cool. And Maggie, get you paper towels, please, so you can wipe your fingers off, cause you.
What you said, Megan? Megan, I'm finna send you $25.
Do it.
Stop fucking asking me for shit, cause you about to piss
Do
me off too.
it. Oh, thanks, Charlotte. I strap when I get
Oh,
my hand clean.
oh my
I
God,
like
Maggie.
you. Who is you? Let me screenshot your name so I can see it.
Oh,
Maybe
that's
when
the
I'm
chin Lee girl. Okay, I thought they was talking about my chin.
You said
I
Trent.
was like, damn, I do
yeah,
got a nice
bitch.
little
And I
chin.
didn't. I ain't say shit the whole fucking time.
Oh,
Like, shut up.
on top of it. Yes.
Hold on, Trini Chin Lee, she kind of cute.
Yes, she
That's what I'm looking at. She kind of cute. I said, let me
yeah.
screenshot, baby. I can
Like,
see
girl,
in the morning. I can't see right now.
let
Trent
me
part of
stop. Let me stay
Trent.
in my lane, cause baby, I ain't
You
got
better
time.
stay in the fuck in your lane, cause you what in my face? In my face?
Chocolate, you got a whole husband,
It don't matter.
and you ain't following me back. So what you saying,
He
girl?
know
You
girls
said
like girls.
the la-
Where I'm from.
the two last two lives you was on. You was like, y'all follow me, and I said, ooh, that's
He
the one. Let
know
me follow her.
girls
Let me
like
follow my
girls
boo.
where I'm from, baby.
Damn it.
See, he just turned over when I started yelling. Please let me go back to the normal. My baby sleep, honey.
Yeah, listen.
But it's okay, my man. You know he gonna be okay with it. Slide in my DM. Slide in my.
It's gonna be a message request because guess what? You haven't
I
accepted
didn't follow.
mine. Oh my
Okay,
god.
I promise to God I'm gonna
Yeah.
do it. Is thank you, Trini.
Yeah, I'm gonna subtract. Not,
I'm gonna do it as soon as I
I'm gonna subtract.
Tommy the gossip Tommy. Now don't come over here being mean. Everybody calm, okay? I promise I'm gonna follow you back. I'm sorry.
Who you gonna send to the airplay or the or
I'm
Maggie?
not
Maggie, you
working
know what?
tomorrow.
It's crazy how good the food looked when you cooked it,
What
but
is
you make it look nasty
this?
when you eat it. Like,
No,
Oh,
I
you
don't
changed it back
know.
to Bunny? The cash up, Maggie?
Maggie,
it's, hey,
this shit
you
look
You
said
said
crazy.
what, babe?
I sleep. You said airplay. Oh,
Okay.
well, work one.
Okay. Thank you, Sunny Boo.
You might be sick. Might
32.
be sick or yeah, work on. She be doing a lot of overtime
That's
lately. Over.
good. Ain't nothing wrong with
She
that.
probably trying to get away from your ass,
Oh
Maggie.
boy,
Yeah, I was
real.
my dog
Real.
laying like he did.
Yeah, I think Brittany might be.
Oh my god, I see so many of my friends joining.
Hey, y'all, look. Why?
You said what chocolate?
Maya fine chocolate ass in here. Who's Maya?
Me. And why
Yeah,
would you
I I'm in the corn, friend. I'm in the corn. I got sugar in there.
Why my dog look like he dead?
Yeah, Trina, I got to have case. But who happened? Somebody gone? Who dropped? Who dropped? Yeah.
My
What's that, though?
dog. His, yeah. Yeah. And don't talk about his covers.
I mean,
Because the blue one came from Hawaii, okay?
I don't know if I had to read it. Maybe her phone dead. She didn't come back, though. I'll tell you here before I shut the phone.
Who is that? Ovo, because she
I can think.
is fine. I want a dog chocolate. I know. And he's a bread too. He knocked out. He
Mm-hmm.
do switch positions, but I don't like what he sleep. And he sleep with his eyes open too. I was trying to get it, but you couldn't get it. Chill. Chill.
Mm-hmm.
Chill. Okay, I'm sorry. I had a golden doodle.
Find me the boy with my new
My
request.
cousin had me a golden doodle. Hey, royalty. He had me a golden doodle.
Girl, somebody dropped my alias up in here. I had to leave.
I
Like, why
seen
would
that.
you?
Find me your friend the request.
What friend? Which one? What's the
Uh,
name? Alan.
the, the one who want to send, but want to request.
Lamar ain't no clout
Hey,
chaser, but
Mandy
he funny,
Candy.
Maggie. He funny.
Yeah,
Maggie, if you add him, I'm not gonna say anything on the
but
live,
he
but
can't send the hot $5. That's fine. $1.
hold on, let me.
That girl said a hot $5. A dollar.
Maggie funny.
That's
Good
crazy.
Adam.
I got you, Maggie. I got you for adding him if you add him.
You send it. Mm-hmm.
Today is what? Monday? No, today is Tuesday, right?
They both
Am I right?
was on Kendra G show.
Hey, what up?
Yoki.
Hey, what up?
Lamont was on Kendra G show. Who is Kendra G?
That's
Yeah, I
what
was on her show. Yeah, back in
Maggie
Huh?
December.
That
Maggie was
single
on her
lady?
show. Yeah,
Huh?
they both.
Oh, he looking for a woman. Oh, you
I,
want Maggie to be
I,
your woman?
I,
Hell no, not Maggie. Shit. I'm already seeing somebody. Now
Don't
it's
talk about my friend
the
like
woman.
that.
The woman I'm seeing, she a hairstylist.
Really,
Hold on, can we?
Maggie.
Hey, let's pause real quick. 96, you hoes phony. They say the way you eating and y'all sitting on live with her like it's cute. I can't. We telling her not to eat like that, and you sitting here
Hold
commenting.
up.
I'm
Wait,
confused.
wait, 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 wait. Who
I'm
said that?
96 underscore you hoes phony. But it be weird to me because it be like people be behind
Maggie.
fake pages.
Maggie.
That's the only thing that I don't
Hold
understand. Like, why y'all be
on.
doing shit behind fake
Listen.
pages?
Maggie. That
Fake
96
pages?
hoes.
it's up to like,
That shit be like, bro,
Baby, if
you
they still
really
on
gotta
here,
talk shit. Like, you can't stand no business behind your own page. You really behind a
yeah,
fake
just shut
page?
up. Y'all retarded.
Yeah.
it,
But you over here watching us watch her eat. It don't make sense.
But go ahead, cause I don't, man. Sometimes I know social media, but I don't know, man. Like
Mandy Candy.
I think shit be weird.